Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Z Loft Extended Stay Hotel. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Conveniently located off Interstate 44 and less than 2 miles from Fort Leonard Wood, this hotel features contemporary guest rooms with full kitchens and laundry facilities. A complimentary breakfast buffet is offered each morning. Free Wi-Fi and a 40-inch flat-screen TV are included in every spacious suite at Z Loft Extended Stay Hotel. Kitchenware, pots and pans are also included. Guests can enjoy a workout in the modern fitness center or catch up on work in the business center. Z Bar and Grill, located in the clubhouse, features a full restaurant and bar with a selection of cocktails and an outdoor dining area with a fire pit. ZSnacks, an on-site convenience store, has snacks, drinks and toiletries for purchase. The grill opens at 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday and is closed Sunday. Use our link in description to get good discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.